Now here on demand, and we gotta play Broken Bones. And hello, it's David the Gamer. And we're having very important business today. Yeah. Here we go! We got more bones to break. I found a popping balloon in the whole sky. Ooh, ow. And it stopped. We gotta find because new bones might broke new bone score. We made a lot of scores for the past 60 years. Okay, it's a bit fast. And my phone is still broken. I start all over. And it disappeared stuff. I haven't we got everything. We have days and we're in yesterday and today. And you guys over levels and amazing. I haven't summoned a room. I have created a disappointed challenge. We have disappointed games. I had another way. And automatically anything you grade you want. Let me see you made this. I broke a lot of bones because of my broken bones. Because I'm laggy, making the big one. And I found some else today, yesterday, or tomorrow. The great one again. And August 11th. And I gotta see you in August 11th. Yes! See? Look at the level up! I see a level up! You gotta find other breeds. I have to start over reporting. Ouch! Ow! Ow! That broke my stupid jump. I got double head. My first day of the Let's John. And my new best is John's Everett. And I'm making bones for the skeleton. The enemy. Everything is great. Okay, is this spinning clouds? Let me all great over olive wings. And the free never is shiny today because it's just a bit shy. But tomorrow we're not playing games because the scope it made. I got a few levels left before I unlock the last project. I'm gonna make fun of something else I'm gonna do. Yeah, drop this for me. And I have you made a bridge. Sugar doodle. I have very good. Ow! I got hurt. My back hurts. Roblox. Oh no! It's a black hole. Woo! I'm out of the hole. It's cold. My first time. Get me hot to let me do these. Yay! Alright, there you go. There you go. No matter what, how you make me very shaky inside when they enter these cages here. I have a very important message to tell you. Hey! Yeah, I broke a lot of bones. Took a lot of bones. And I broke my own way bones. And flipped. I found something else in another broken bones. So that means ow. So that means ow. It's made me super duper high. Because the bar is going, but the zero flag bone left is 0. Yeah, we can make this on the internet kittens. I found something very important now today. I got this today. Yeah, because it's going to stop. It's going to stop. It's going to mouth. And remember what happened to me today. Creating it today and they win. We don't. I have a very important today message to tell you. And it's grading before it runs. The time runs out, the video ends. The max time. Today we know I ain't getting in them 10 minutes. Ow! I hurt too much bones. Broken bones. It's my favorite because I leveled up, but no one was gonna pinch me. I'm It's moving too fast. Yeah, I have very important business. This is my last round. This is my 4-time runs up. If you go and find something else, or we need something. Yes, I have degree. We have 3 times there in this round. We have 5 disappointed games. And thank you for watching. For subscribing to this video. Tap this button, so right. Tap that button, please subscribe to right. Yeah. You gotta wait for the never bones. There we go. Bye guys.